Hey guys, it's Dave here from Creative Path Films, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to calibrate an Omnicharge battery bank. Now, if you've been around this channel for any period of time, you'll know that I'm a big fan of the Omnicharge brand of battery banks. We use them in our production company all the time for a variety of different purposes. They have a range of different batteries available, and they are all exceptionally well built. If you'd like to see my full reviews where I take you through each model, you can check that one out up here. Now, why would you need to calibrate a battery bank? Well, there can be a range of different reasons. You might notice something funky, like the battery seems to drain down to 0% really quickly, but then it stays at 0% for an extended period of time without actually dying. Or if you notice some kind of unusual behavior where you think that the battery level indicator may not be accurate, chances are you can solve that with a simple calibration. Now, these batteries are very easy to calibrate. It's simply a two-step process. And the first step is to fully drain the battery bank. Now, when I say fully drain the battery, that means you need to go beyond 0%. If the battery is indicating that you're at 0%, it's not fully drained all the way. You want to keep draining the battery until it no longer provides power and it shows you this icon here when you try to turn it on or use it. Once you get that icon, your battery is completely dead. Fully draining the battery will not damage the battery bank in any way. This is the process that Omnicharge recommends to calibrate your battery. The next step is to fully recharge the battery all the way up to 100%. Now, depending on the model that you have, you can charge it either through the DC input or the USB-C input. The battery that I've got here today is the original Omni 20, and it doesn't have a USB-C input, so I'm going to use the DC barrel. So we simply get our DC charger and then just plug it in and allow the battery to reach full charge. And there you have it. That is how you calibrate an Omnicharge battery. And this process will work for any of the models that you'll encounter. Now, this is a process that you only need to do when you start to notice unusual behavior with your battery indicator, and you think that it might have drifted out of sync with the actual charge level of the cells. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, make sure to let me know by leaving it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.